The Aero Mobile 4.0 is a revolutionary vehicle that seamlessly combines the functionality of a car and an airplane. Unveiled in 2017, it features a cutting-edge composite crash structure and an integrated carbon cradle that supports its wings while housing the power unit. On the road, the Aero Mobile 4.0 reaches speeds of up to 160 km per hour, while in the air, it can soar at an impressive 360 km per hour. Designed for 2 passengers, it significantly reduces travel time compared to traditional airlines, offering both convenience and efficiency. Safety is a top priority, with advanced features such as pyrotechnic seatbelts, dual-stage airbags, and robust crash protection. The Aero Mobile 4.0 is a bold step forward in personal transportation, blending innovation, safety, and style for an unparalleled travel experience. 3/3. A California-based startup, Otis Aviation, is developing an electric hybrid vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft aimed at transforming regional air travel. Featuring a revolutionary blown wing design and advanced flat-based thrust vectoring system, the aircraft offers vertical takeoff and landing capabilities while cruising with exceptional efficiency. With seating for 9 passengers, it boasts an electric range of 200 miles, extendable to 750 miles when powered by a turbine engine. The projected market for such aircraft exceeds $10 billion, with Otis Aviation planning to launch commercial operations by 2026. The estimated starting price per aircraft is around $8.3 million. Otis Aviation is also innovating in the UAV space with its multi-role drone, Lila. Utilizing scaled-down hybrid propulsion and thrust vectoring technologies, Lila is expected to achieve a 450-mile range, a cruising speed of 125 miles per hour, and the ability to carry payloads up to 130 pounds, marking a new era in efficient, versatile aviation. 3/3. The Rolls-Royce EOL concept, an innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle, is set to transform personal transportation, streamline supply chains, and inspire eco-friendly urban development. Designed to carry 4 to 5 passengers, this cutting-edge vehicle can reach speeds of up to 250 miles per hour, powered by 4 tilting electric propellers and a gas turbine engine for propulsion. With a remarkable range of 500 miles, the EOL concept is engineered to be compatible with existing helipads, making it a versatile choice for urban and regional travel. While the exact price remains undisclosed, its high-end market positioning and advanced technology suggest a premium cost. The Kia Concept PV1 is a forward-thinking electric vehicle designed to address the evolving needs of urban transportation. This concept car is part of Kia's purpose-built vehicle (PBV) lineup and features a sleek design with a modular interior that can be customized for various uses, such as ride-sharing, deliveries, or even as a mobile office. Its electric powertrain promotes eco-friendliness, helping cities reduce emissions and supporting sustainable mobility. Prioritizing efficiency, comfort, and adaptability, the PV1 concept represents Kia's innovative approach to urban travel. Though still in development, this vehicle could redefine personal and public transport in crowded urban areas. Pricing details are not yet available, but the PV1's versatile design hints at a promising future for electric vehicles. Call boats are small vessels designed to transport people over short distances, often within harbors, cities, or along rivers. They're particularly popular in water-centric areas, offering a direct, traffic-free alternative for commuting. Advantages include convenience, affordability, scenic views, and an environmentally friendly footprint due to reduced emissions. However, their use is limited to short routes, they depend on good weather, and they can become crowded during busy times. Despite their limitations, call boats are a charming, efficient O. The Aska A5 is the world's first electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle that you can both drive and fly, redefining urban mobility. Debuted at CES 2023, this innovative hybrid seamlessly combines the practicality of road driving with the advanced capability of vertical takeoff and landing. Designed to fit standard parking spaces and garages, it's perfect for everyday use. The Aska A5 can fly up to 250 miles on a single charge, providing a sustainable and efficient transportation solution. By blending driving and flying, it aims to reduce traffic congestion and revolutionize urban commuting, offering a bold glimpse into the future of transportation. The Porsche 911 Dakar is a modern tribute to the iconic 911 Carrera 3.24x4 that conquered the tough Paris-Dakar Rally in 1984. This car combines the spirit of adventure and endurance with next-level performance. Powered by a 3.0L six-cylinder engine, it delivers 480 horsepower and 570 Nm of torque, offering thrilling performance on and off the road. With a top speed of 240 km per hour and a 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time of just 3.4 seconds, it strikes the perfect balance between power and precision. The special design package honors its Dakar-winning legacy, showcasing impressive ground clearance, slope angles, and acceleration. The Porsche 911 Dakar is built to take on any terrain with confidence and style, making it the ideal choice for drivers seeking excitement and adventure. 2 halves. Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3. The Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3 is an innovative electric water bike that takes cycling to a whole new level. With cutting-edge hydrofoiling technology, it allows riders to glide effortlessly above the water's surface, providing a smooth and stable experience even on choppy waves. Unlike traditional water bikes with bulky pontoons or hulls, the SL3 uses hydrofoils to lift the bike out of the water as it gains speed. It's designed with ease of use in mind, featuring a self-leveling tiller that automatically adjusts pitch for smooth launches. Plus, its throttle-only launch option eliminates the need for pedaling to get started, making it perfect for beginners. The Riva 82 Feet Diva, launched in 2023, is an 83-foot masterpiece from the iconic Italian brand Riva Yachts. This luxurious motor yacht combines breathtaking design with remarkable performance. Powered by twin-man V12 engines ranging from 1,800 to 1,900 horsepower, it glides effortlessly through the water, reaching a top speed of 31 knots and cruising comfortably at 27 knots. Built with a durable GRP hull and superstructure, the Diva offers the perfect mix of strength and agility. Inside, up to 8 guests can enjoy 4 opulent staterooms, all serviced by a dedicated 3-person crew. Every detail of the interior, designed by Officina Italiana Design, reflects elegance and sophistication, providing a serene escape on the waves. Longtail Hybrid Cargo e-bike. Need an efficient way to transport groceries or ferry your kids around town? The Longtail Hybrid Cargo e-bike is here to make your life easier. Equipped with a powerful Bosch motor, it takes the effort out of pedaling uphill, while its long-lasting battery ensures you can tackle extended journeys without worry. Designed for simplicity and durability, the belt drive and hub gear system make the bike low maintenance and easy to use. The extra-long rear rack can carry up to 60 kilograms of cargo, with an optional front rack adding another 20 kilograms of capacity. Add a bench or child seats to the rear rack, and you've got the perfect solution for family transportation. Ideal for city commutes and errands, the Longtail Hybrid Cargo offers unmatched convenience. Starting at $4,499 for the base model or €3,799 for the sport trim, it's a reliable and practical investment for urban living. The Sylvan M5 LZDC is the ultimate pontoon boat for entertaining, accommodating up to 14 people in luxurious comfort. Perfect for cruising, fishing, or skiing, this versatile vessel is equipped with 400 horsepower and advanced SPX performance tube technology for smooth and powerful rides. Enjoy premium features like side-by-side captain chairs, interior LED lighting, and wraparound front and rear couches, creating a stylish and inviting atmosphere on the water. The M5 LZDC offers plenty of customization options, from colors to accessories, ensuring it perfectly suits your style and needs. This electric UTV combines adventure with environmental responsibility. Powered by a robust 60-horsepower electric motor, it delivers impressive torque for tackling tough terrains with ease. Its zero-emission drivetrain ensures eco-friendly exploration, making it a great choice for nature enthusiasts. With a durable suspension system and advanced lithium-ion battery pack, the UTV offers exceptional stability and up to 200 kilometers of range on a single charge. Quick charging capability minimizes downtime, letting you spend more time adventuring. Imagine cutting city commutes to just 10 minutes, no matter the distance. The air car is turning this vision into reality, redefining urban mobility. This fully autonomous electric passenger drone combines advanced autopilot and sensor fusion technology for safe, efficient, and hassle-free transportation. Eco-conscious travelers will appreciate its zero-emission operation and drastically reduced carbon footprint compared to traditional methods. With a top speed of 120 km per hour and a range of 80 km, the air car is perfect for fast, intra-city travel. Quirky is a cutting-edge robotic survey vehicle designed to navigate tough environments and improve infrastructure inspections. Built to work in tight or dangerous spaces where human access is risky, Quirky is the perfect solution for surveying crucial areas like pipes, tunnels, and culverts in urban and industrial zones. This six-wheeled robot is equipped with advanced 3D scanning and camera technology, capturing detailed data and images in real time. Its compact design, combined with smart sensors and adjustable height, allows Quirky to maneuver easily through various terrains and confined areas. Introducing the Watercar Panther Pro, a one-of-a-kind vehicle that combines the best of both worlds, a car and a boat. This off-road convertible powerboat is fully street-legal and is built by Watercar, a California-based company. Powered by a 3.7L Honda V6 engine, the Panther Pro can reach impressive speeds of 70 to 80 miles per hour on land and 44 miles per hour on water, making it the only amphibious vehicle capable of towing a water skier at high speeds. Despite its impressive capabilities, some find it a bit tricky to operate on land. However, with engineering upgrades from the UK-based racing team, ProDrive, the Panther Pro delivers exceptional performance. Meet the Helicat, a unique hybrid that combines the best of a catamaran and a helicopter, designed for those who love the water but aren't fond of flying. Its distinctive look isn't the only thing that stands out. This sturdy vessel is built to glide smoothly through rough waters. The Helicat can comfortably hold 7 people, including the pilot, and features a cabin that can be adjusted with vinyl drapes, keeping water out even in stormy conditions. The UNIDANU 218 UG Unimog is a top-tier expedition vehicle built to tackle the harshest environments and diverse terrains, making it perfect for extreme adventures like winter overlanding. Whether it's -40 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Celsius, this vehicle thrives in both freezing cold and scorching heat. One of its standout features is the innovative Vario Pilot technology, which allows the driver to switch the steering wheel, pedals, and controls from one side to the other in just 30 seconds, providing unmatched flexibility for navigating different countries with varying road regulations. Inside, the U218 UG offers both indoor and outdoor living spaces, complete with cooking and shower facilities, ensuring comfort even during long, rugged trips. The Sea Lion is a groundbreaking amphibious vehicle that seamlessly combines the power of a high-speed car with the versatility of a boat. With its sleek, aerodynamic design, it can reach impressive speeds on land, while its lightweight aluminum body and powerful propulsion system allow it to glide effortlessly over water. Built for adventurous explorers, the Sea Lion offers a dynamic and versatile driving experience. Whether you're cruising down highways or navigating lakes and rivers, this vehicle ensures a smooth and thrilling journey. The Tesla Cybertruck is unlike anything you've ever seen before. It's a bold, futuristic vehicle that doesn't follow the usual rules. Designed to handle any task, terrain, or load, it's like having a mobile fortress that can withstand extreme conditions like gunfire and explosions. Beyond its toughness, it's also a smart, connected companion with cutting-edge technology that makes life easier. This revolutionary vehicle is the result of years of hard work and Tesla's ambition to change the future of energy and transportation. The Cybertruck is a true game changer in the truck industry, a mix of art and engineering that deserves admiration. With the Cybertruck's arrival, Tesla is set to redefine the world of vehicles. Are you ready to be part of this groundbreaking journey? Two halves. The Hover Scorpion bike, also known as the Scorpion 3, is a groundbreaking fusion of motorcycle design and drone technology. This electric-powered hoverbike can support a maximum weight of 104 kilograms, 229 pounds, and achieve speeds of up to 43 miles per hour with a range of 13 miles. It can soar to an altitude of 33 feet and offers a flight time of 15 to 40 minutes, depending on the load. The Scorpion 3 features a quick battery system, taking just 3 hours to recharge or 1 minute to swap out. Far from being a mere concept, this innovative quadcopter has undergone extensive testing and is ready for real-world use. Whether for adventure or practical applications, the Scorpion 3 represents a leap forward in personal aerial mobility. Two halves.